Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm a swing trader and I trade mostly three setups: VCP, stage 2 breakouts, and pullbacks. And in the last video, I told you that we go through the index, then the market breadth, and then the stock. So we will follow the similar pattern over here also. The index that I look at is Nifty 500. And in the last video, I told you that if it breaks this high, I will be slightly more bullish. And it did, and the two following candles after the breakout are slightly negative, but it's still like above 50% of this candle's body, so I'm not really worried about it. And if this break this high, I will be even more bullish. Now let's look at the market breadth. So you can see Nifty 500, 181 stocks increasing, 316 declining, which gives us a market breadth of 0.57, which is not the best, but on the breakout day it was good. So I'm really hoping that this breakout does not fail. So this market breadth is about 0.57. Ideally, it should be above 1 if we are being bullish. Now, the stock that I talked about in the last video was Shriram Finance. Now, I showed that this was the VCP and we are going to take entry over here. But on the next day, it opened slightly above and the stock did not touch this price at all, so I could not take entry in this stock. So it's more of a learning trade or a paper trade for me just now because I could not take entry in this. But if you look at it from a paper trading perspective, I am very glad to see that there are three straight bullish candles and it's about to reach our 1.25 mark. Now moving on to the stock that I want to talk about today. First is MCX. So if you notice in MCX, it is also similar story, a stage 2 stock. Uh, straight incline, then some consolidation, and then again a straight incline is there. And if you notice over here, you can see a small consolidation and a breakout. And if we go on to the daily chart, I can show you that we can even see a VCP over here also. We notice that the volatility is contracting over here and over here. Other thing that you can notice is this is also a inverse head and shoulder. You notice these are the shoulders and this is the head, right? So that's why I have selected this stock and I will be looking to enter this stock tomorrow, that is Friday, at around this price, or maybe if I get it over here, but not over here. I will be only looking to buy it at the price that I want or cheaper, not higher. The next stock that we will look at is IIFL Finance. Similar story, similar setup. It has just started its level 2 journey over here. Before that, you can consider it to be a level 1 consolidation. Now, if we look at it in the daily chart, you can notice a very Shriram Finance like consolidation, because over there also we had this inclining consolidation kind of a chart, and this has given us a breakout. So I will be looking to enter the stock over here or cheaper, but not more expensive. And by cheaper, I do not mean that it opens like over here only. I want it to be at a price which gives me confidence, and that price will be above 50% of this candle. Also look at the volume of the breakout candle. It is quite significant, and that also gives me confidence that this setup should work. No guarantees, of course, no one in market can give guarantee, but we can look at the signs that the stock is going to work. And the last stock that I would like to talk about is Godavari Biorefineries. Now, this is a slightly riskier bet because, as you can see, it has not given a complete stage to start. Maybe it will give us after we break this high, but if we look at the base, where does stage to start from? They start from lower only, right? So from that point of view, this is at the lower part of its growth trajectory moving ahead. And I will enter this stock. I will just tell you why. I know the stage 2 breakout has to be after a breakout, but that's why I said it's slightly a risky stock because not every stock will be picture perfect. In the daily chart, if you notice, it has been contracting for a long time now, and I feel this is a breakout. What are the signs that I feel that this is a breakout? Firstly, volatility contraction patterns, which are followed by a stage 2 breakout later on. And look at the volumes. Over here, the volumes are all dried up, low volumes, but now the volumes have started increasing. Over here, it increased more, and over here, it is lower in volume compared to this candle, but it's still significantly above than the average 30-day volume, which is this blue line. And that is why I feel that this is a slightly riskier stock, so I will risk less amount over here. But I would like to take entry in this stock because I feel this stock could be a stage 2 stock that we have caught at in the consolidation phase itself. And I haven't seen much opportunities like this in the market. So these are the three stocks for today. If you guys like the video, you can like, subscribe, and comment. I'll see you guys next time.